Hanukkah Latkes, a flavorful tradition. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a delicious part of Jewish culture and cuisine, Hanukkah Latkes. Whether you're a language learner or a culinary enthusiast, this video will enlighten you about this fascinating tradition. So, let's dive into the world of latkes and celebrate Hanukkah together. Before we jump into the latkes, let's understand Hanukkah. Hanukkah, also known as the Festival of Lights, is an 8-day Jewish holiday. It celebrates the rededication of the Holy Temple in Jerusalem and the miracle of the oil that lasted 8 days. Hanukkah is a time of joy, lighting menorahs, and, of course, delicious food. Now, let's talk about latkes. Latkes are potato pancakes that are traditionally eaten during Hanukkah. They are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and usually served with applesauce or sour cream. But why latkes? They are made with oil, symbolizing the oil that miraculously burned for 8 days in the temple. Making latkes is both an art and a simple pleasure. The basic ingredients are grated potatoes, onions, eggs, flour, or matzah meal, and salt. These are mixed together and fried in oil until golden brown. The key is to get them crispy. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process in this section. Did you know? Latkes have variations in different cultures. While the classic latke is made with potatoes, some use sweet potatoes, zucchini, or even cheese. Each variation brings a unique flavor and history, showing the diversity within Jewish culinary traditions. We hope you enjoyed learning about Hanukkah and latkes. These potato pancakes aren't just food. They're a symbol of history, culture, and celebration. Try making them at home and share this tasty tradition with friends and family. Happy Hanukkah, and see you in our next video.